Hey guys, it's Nick. I'm here in Miami Beach on Ocean Drive, right in front of the Tides Hotel and Pink Taco, I guess. Um, I'm here on a Saturday afternoon. It's December 5th. It's about, what, 1:40 in the afternoon. And there are people here, but it definitely looks kind of slow. The lady at the ice cream place said people come out later generally, I guess because they're out Friday night drinking or whatever, so maybe they come out later. But it's definitely a little slow here, especially without the cars. It has a different kind of feel. This is a look at Ocean Drive with no cars. There's definitely people here. A little bit down there, there's more people and whatnot. But I don't know, definitely feels a little slow. It almost feels like a holiday or a Sunday or something like that. But since I like to do beach tours, I'm gonna go walk on the beach and see who's on the beach, because maybe there's more people there than there are out here walking. So let's take a look. And if you don't know, there's a building down there, a white building in this park that has bathrooms you can change at. And there's some restrictions on the beach here, like I think no more than 10 people at a time. You don't have to wear a mask or anything like that for now, but there's definitely some restrictions here. No pets, social distancing, no more than 10 people, blah, blah, blah. And it's a nice Saturday afternoon. It's about 79 degrees, but it feels hotter. So she asked me to wear a mask when you walk on the beach. That sounds pretty ridiculous. So, a good amount of people out here. And let's see if people are swimming in the water. These people have their whole hookah set up over here. So you see, there's a lot of people at the beach today, even though, like I said, it's only like 80, and the water here is not that warm. It's not cold, but it's like New York beaches in mid-July or something along that line. Water looks really clear. This is a look at what the crowd is like on a Saturday afternoon, December 5th, on South Beach here in Miami. So let me walk a little bit more to give you an idea of who's here. It doesn't really look like, you know, a spring break crowd or anything by that means, but by any means, it seems like a lot of possibly locals, but definitely some tourists here for sure. So yeah, there's a kind of a young crowd also. So I don't know if you can see it, but there's a lot of people on the beach going all the way north. There's a good amount of people in the water, so they don't seem to mind too much. And lifeguards are here in their booth. So it's a good crowd here. I don't know what it's normally like in December without shutdowns and travel restrictions, but even with that on people's minds, there seems to be a good amount of people here, which, you know, a good portion are probably tourists. And you see the cruise ships over there, guys doing whatever you call that, parasailing or something. Birds are hanging out, no masks. So that's North Miami Beach. Smell a lot of weed in the air over here. So guys, that's a quick look at South Beach on a Saturday, December 5th, close to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Not a huge amount of people, but not empty by any means. So if you're thinking of coming to South Beach and you're worried about restrictions and nobody out here, definitely people out here. Weather's good, the beach is nice, the stores are still open with, you know, some restrictions. The restaurants here on Ocean Drive have a curfew of 11 o'clock at night, but the rest of them not on Ocean Drive, and the bars don't have a curfew, from what somebody told me that works at one of the restaurants here. So if you're thinking of coming down here, it's still a good time to come down and check it out. I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.